So this video, I'm going to show you how to run an output design specification report so you can figure out what's going on with your Mousetrap car to optimize it, to make it better. So the first thing I want you to do is go to, I opened up the engineering, I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to open my version that I want to check on. So I'm going to open up this first one. You can see here I have two. This one was one from a few days ago. I'm going to open up revision number 2. So it opened it up. I have it. Now you may not see it, but if you want, you can kind of click and activate it all. But I have it open. I know I have it open. It's listed right there. I'm now going to go to the outputs, design specifications, and anything in red means I need to change it. So, did my car cross the finish line? Obviously, if we wanted to, mine did not. I am looking under the designed. That's what I built. This is what is allowed. So I can already tell you my frame width is way too wide. I have a 76 width, which is the width of my Mousetrap frame. So I got to change it so that I'm between 40 and 50. I can do that. The next thing I need to probably look at is my rear wheel diameter. I'm allowed to have a rear wheel that is 35 to 55. It means my wheel that I have chosen is too big. Yes, I know when we actually build them, we may alter these wheels, but for now, in this virtual building environment, we need to stick to their specifications. So I need to go pick a different wheel. And then hopefully once I've accomplished that and I've changed those things, it'll bring my price down because that's the next thing that I need to update. So you need to make sure that you are looking at what is allowed versus what you have built and make those changes. It should be pretty easy. Just go straight down the line. When it talks about rear axle diameter, they're talking about the diameter of the tube, the diameter of the actual axle, which is going to be what your wheel's attached to. So if you have a question about any of these, see me. Otherwise, good luck. Go optimize. That's what we call this, is when you're looking at your specifications and making it better. Go optimize your vehicle so that it performs the best within the design specifications.